saha ibu ingkang kula pekteni. Saderengipun kula matur keparengan kula nyuwun pangapunten. Sedaya lepat saha dosa kula dene ing waci ngenjing kula badhe winekung ing satunggaling trio inggih Roko Mas Sepnu Adipurwo. Namung sembah mangabekti kula mugi saged ketampi Rama saha Ibu.
Sir, I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. You see in this box is a ring for your oldest. She's my everything, and all that I know is it would be such a relief if I knew that we were on the same side. Cause very soon I'm hoping that I can
Saya
marry
terima
your
nikahkan kawinnya
daughter.
Julien Pratami binti Bapak Ritin dengan emas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
The day that I die, yeah, I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile when she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father, on the day that I marry your daughter. She's been here every step since the day that we met. I'm scared to death to think of what would happen if she ever left. So don't you ever worry about me ever treating her bad. I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile as she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father, on the day that I marry your daughter. The first time I saw her